Welcome to my channel Crafty Funda. Let's make some craft with empty matchboxes. Color the matchbox from inside. I am using quilling technique to make flowers. Take 3mm stripe and quill it. Untighten the loop and press from both sides. Glue the open end. Make 10 to 15 such shapes. Take another stripe of green color. Double the stripe and paste the dot shape at the top of it. Now attach more shapes on both dot sides of the stripe. Attach 6 to 8 shapes on the stripe. Let it dry and make one more with different color. Glue it into the matchbox. Paste the other one too. Please like and subscribe my channel. Add green leaves and spirals into it. If like, then share my video. Prepare more boxes with different designs. Let's make quilling flowers. Take a stripe and quill it. Untighten the circle and press from one side. Make 6 petals and join them to make a flower. Make one more flower and paste them in the box. Add circles on it and stems to the flowers. Add leaves and box is ready. For the next flower, take a pencil and a stripe. Wrap the stripe on pencil in circular way. Remove it from pencil and paste the end. Press from one side to make petal shape. Now paste them in the box. Make a flower with 5 petals. Take different colored petals and paste them. Same way, fill the box with different number of petals. Add green leaves. Fill the gaps with circles. Press the bell icon to get notification of my new video. Prepare more boxes. Let's paste them together. I have prepared 9. You can make accordingly. Paste jute rope at top for hanging. Cover the back side with paper. Paint all the sides. Let it dry and decor your room. Beautiful wall hanging is ready.